Okay, guys, we are back at it, and we are about to talk about NAAS and APLT, two of the last requested tickers in the comment section today. Both of these two stocks, as we can see, are going to a big sell off. These two stocks are not the market's most favorite stocks at this time, but with certain timing, you can get another bull run in both of these stocks, or whichever one your favorite is. As you can see, things like APLT have a massive gap to fill towards dollars. Now, both of these sold off for certain reasons, though, that you need to know. Now, the technicals do come in looking for a bullish divergence, but the fundamentals are about to come into a stock like APLT. Just may need another few weeks, just about 2 or 3, maybe another month in there before people really start to get bullish again for a longer term time frame, as you can see looking at your overall weekly chart. If you keep an eye on your analysis order flow, you have more larges coming in all across the board. You got the large scale $1 million USD orders starting to come in the last few trading days, which is a strong sign of bullishness that's starting to be created. It's the beginning of a reversal in on APLT stock. You will be looking for them to, at this point from these lows, get into a safe, easy early seat, and then be looking for another breakout to be coming in. They did just have some more news updates coming out about the APLT deadline. This is talking about how because of its big crash down, how there's the opportunity for the big APLT lawsuit. This is in the case for when stocks do crash down, they get investors the opportunity to get some money back up. Maybe you want to participate now, but after that's done, then you should probably be looking for another bull run to be coming into APLT. That has to settle. I don't know when that's gonna settle, but in the meantime of that, like it's just better stocks to be because the more uncertainties you can take away, the more certain you can be. Here in the last trading session on APLT stock, you have the extra largest coming in, the largest, medium, and smalls coming in, because once again, they are beginning to get ready for the oversold bullish divergence. People getting into the safe, easy, early seat, looking forward to a hot piece of news. APLT is a biotech clinical stage company focused on the development of pipelines and novel drug candidates against validated molecular targets and indications of high unmet medical need. Open up their website. You want to take a quick peek at their pipeline so you'll be able to see exactly what they are making and overall what's moving on into the next phases and what already has moved into the next phase. You want to check out their clinical trials. If they can find those anywhere on their website. And you got multiple FDA approvals and catalysts to be looking forward to. Now, I'm not in on APLT. They are starting to load up on APLT. They got the large $1 million USD orders coming in because this is the safe, easy, early seat and the stock getting ready to come in for a short squeeze. Not only to $1, because notice this thing will stop at ranges of 70 cents, around 75 cents, before spiking back up into the range of about 90 cent a range. That's where things get very bearish up there. And then once they get past that 90 cent range, it will be a decent uptrend towards about $1.20. Before they flip that gap, they're going to get stopped at about this $2.50 range, or either way before they even fill up that gap. It's going to be the big battle if they do. Then it's explosion back up to $8. And as you can see, for the last time on APLT, they were down at these lows. They came in for the multi-year bull run. Next, you got NAAS stock down to a big discount from the highs of a couple hundreds of dollars over the course of time, all the way down to those of $1.30. Most recently on your 4-hour chart, see the stock as well picking up in the recent trading days, same as APLT. People are starting to get most bullish on these stocks down the bottom, going from $1.30 back up to the highs of $1.94 with an average volume of 140,000. They got a current volume of 522,000 and a free float of 6 million. That float on NAAS stock will get filled fairly easy on this stock, and they will be looking for a longer term move. You want to be seeing some more clear direction coming in on NAAS stock over on your short interest, not big in the short interest. So this won't be the highest of short squeeze potential targets and a wrecked balance sheet. Big whales don't like to see a wrecked balance sheet on these stocks. Looking deeper in on your NAAS stock over on your Moomoo investing platform, you'll be able to see greater in detail that the extra larges are going out. You got the larges going out. You have the mediums going out. You even got the smalls going out right now, but they still have a bullish wave of the cost distribution coming in. So some people will like NAS down here at the bottom. Let me show you some support ranges and target ranges for those of you who are deciding to go bearish and or deciding to go bullish for your shorter term time frame. NAS in a bearish formation will be dropping back down to about $1.50 for the short term and find support down there. As you can see, they've already retested that. If they were to break under that, it will be going down to about $1.30. Thing is, a NAS is already at its all-time low, so go any lower than that, and it might just start to go into an overall free fall. Now you were going bullish. Thing is, NAS stock is right down here towards this $1.40 where it was at last time before I had that multi-day bull run. So you zoom out just a bit. First thing we got to get past on this $1.70 that it's around, and then next stop is going to be about $2. After that, you go to about $3. It'll get stuck around that $4 range where it's been stuck out for a while. After that, it's a huge squeeze up to 10. That's if the pressure can come in strong enough to make NAS actually continue to push on like that. Because right now it's coming in like that, but the market is changing direction right now with big tech running. You got like big pharma starting to run right now. You got Trump coming out with executive order after executive order after executive order, and it's a big power shift coming into the markets. You got a line of ETFs that are coming out about to make BTC push well over that 100,000 along with the ETPs. All of this is about to happen now. There's a lot of stuff happening to make sure you are staying up to date with. And if you need me to update your thing before this weekend is over with, so you can be ready for the market to open up on Monday, make sure you get subscribed to the channel. Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one then. Happy trading.